Control number 43794, please introduce yourself.
Hi sir and ma'am. I'm Grace Salvahan, 41 years old. I am single and I have two daughters, 13 years old and 14 years old. And I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. And I am the fourth of the family member.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate in Maseo Security Material Learning Foundation Incorporated.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself and for my future.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
Yes, I've been in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 years in Hong Kong.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newborn babies and children?
Yes, and I can feed, change their clothes, and
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook and tutoring.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
A simple dish of Chinese food like fried rice, steamed fish.
Describe yourself as a housemate.
I am honest, hardworking, and patient.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like their family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
There, madam and sir, if you choose me as a domestic helper, I will still my personality as a hardworking, honest, and patient. And I will make sure to stay 2 years and more. Thank you so much.